Number two, carbon footprint and bigger units, with the standards being raised with a lot of heating and air systems where they'll say, hey, it needs to be, this much efficiency. We're starting to see systems that are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It used to be when efficiency didn't matter so much and electricity wasn't so expensive and so on, we would see people have systems that they could almost put them in the back of their car. I mean, they were small enough, especially some of these 1.5 ton or 2 ton systems, they came up not even to my hip. And now we have systems that are almost as tall as me trying to meet some of these standards. And you might say, well, why does this matter? Why are they making them bigger just to meet standards? Well, when they have a certain efficiency rating that it has to reach, one of the ways they can get there is having a larger coil for air to be pulled across. And that makes it to where the system literally has to be larger in size.